Mathematics, Grade 4, Quarter 2, Week 2. Our topic is about dividing whole numbers, specifically dividing 3 to 4 digit by 1 digit number without regrouping. Now for our lesson objective, divide 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 digit number without regrouping. Day 2. Now let's have a review. Recall the parts of a division sentence. Now our division sentence is 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Wherein this is our division sign and this right here is our equal sign. 30 is our dividend or the number that is being divided, and 6 is our divisor or the number that divides the dividend. Number 5 is our quotient or the answer for division. Now we have another example here below. 48 divided by 5 equals 9 remainder 3. 48 is our dividend, 5 is our divisor, and 9 remainder 3 is our quotient. Now let's divide using pictorial representation or a place value disk. Letter A, 426 divided by 2. On a place value chart, let's form 426 using disks. So we have place values ones, tens, and hundreds. So 426 has 4 100s, 2 tens, and 6 ones. Now let's group the disks under each place value by 2's as shown below, because 426 is divided by 2. So we are to regroup the numbers by 2's. Now, so there are 2 groups for hundreds, 1 group for tens, and 3 for ones. So 426 divided by 2 equals 213. Now for letter B, we have 6,905 divided by 3. We have 4 place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now in 6,905, there are 6 1,000s, 9 100s, 0 tens, and 5 ones. Now group the disks under each place value by 3's. So we have to regroup them by 3 and count how many groups are there. So we have, for 1,000, we have 2 groups of 3's. Then hundreds, we have 3 groups, tens 0, and ones there is 1 group and 2 remainder. So 6,905 divided by 3 equals 2,301 remainder 2. Remainder is the excess number. Under the ones columns, there are 1 group of 3 and a remainder of 2. Now let's divide using long division. In long division, we have to remember DMSB. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. In long division, we write the dividend inside the division house and the divisor outside the division house. To easily remember the division process, we think of the members of the family who lives in the house. Now for our representation, DMSB, we have dad, mom, sis, bro. Or D, divide, M, multiply, sis, subtract, and B, bring down. Dad, mom, sis, bro is just for easy remembering the division process. Now let's try. Divide 426 divided by 2 using the long division. Now this is our division house. Inside the division house is our dividend, and outside is our divisor. And let's start with 4. Divide 4 by 2, we have 2. Then the next one, after division, we have to multiply. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Then after multiplication, we have to subtract. Alright, 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then the fourth one, we have to bring down the next number, or yes, the number beside the first number that we have divided. So we have 2. Bring down 2. So 2, again, we have to repeat the process. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. So 2 divided by 2 will have 1. Then 1 times 2 equals 2. Then 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then bring down 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 6 minus 6 equals 0. So once we reach 0 here, and it's the last number, we don't have any number to bring down anymore. So that means we've reached the final answer. So our quotient is 213. Now let's try once again the number that we divided earlier. Now this time let's use long division. So 6,905 divided by 3. So let's start with the highest place value, 6,000. So 6 divided by 3, you'll have 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then subtract 6 minus 6 equals 0. And bring down 9. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 minus 9 equals 0. Then we have to bring down 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. Then 0 times 3 equals 0. Now let's subtract 0 minus 0 equals 0. We still have last one number, 5. So bring down 5. 5 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. Now let's subtract 5 minus 3 equals 2. So our answer has we don't have any number left, so we cannot bring down another number. So 2 is our remainder. Now to write the remainder, we simply write it at the top next to the quotient, whole number quotient, and then write R, which stands for remainder, and then 2. Now 6,905 divided by 3 equals 2,301, remainder 2. The remainder is the exact number. Now let's find the quotient of the following numbers using the corresponding methods. So for number 1, you'll use 664 divided by 6, pictorial representation. Number 2, 8,480 divided by 4. And number 3, 704 divided by 7. Number 4, 8,624 divided by 2. And 5, 7,525 divided by 5. Use long division from 2 to 5. And for your assignment, answer the following numbers using long division. Thank you for listening and enjoy learning.